everyone. This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join ACE Radio School on Wazobia Abuja to continue learning while you're at home. This is for nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, STEM subjects. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and maths. This is an ACE charity initiative. Powered by the Malala Fund.
This session is for nursery and primary school children. Hello children, my name is Miss Tomiwa and I am your literacy teacher on ACE Radio School. We are going to have so much fun learning today, so get ready for all that fun, okay? Today, we will be learning to identify letter names A to C, sound letter names A to C, link letter names A to C to their sounds, and identify words that begin with A to C. But before that, can you join me to sing the alphabet song? All right, let's go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Well done, friends. Now, let us play a game. It is an imagination game. Just listen to my questions and answer accordingly, okay? Let us start. If I were a cat, what sound will I make? Did you say meow? Because that is right. A cat meows. If I were a dog, what sound will I make? Awesome! Woof! One more. If I were a bird, what sound will I make? Yes, I will tweet. Amazing job, friends. Do you know that just like animals have names and sounds that they make, letters also have names and their sounds? Yes, so we will be learning the sounds letters A, B, and C make. Let's sing this song, friends. Letter A says A. Letter A says A. Every letter makes a sound. Letter A says A. Letter B says B. Letter B says B. Every letter makes a sound. Letter B says B. Letter C says K. Letter C says K. Every letter makes a sound. Letter C says K. Now, let us start with letter A. Letter A says A. Can you say after me? A. Apple. Akara. Arm. Can you think of more words that begin with A? Great! I thought of alligator. Letter B says B. Can you say after me? B. Ball. Basket. Boy. Can you think of more words that begin with B? Well done! I will tell you one more word. Bell. Letter C says K. Can you say after me? K. Cat. Cow. Can you think of more words that begin with K? Thumbs up! It's time for a little assignment to see what you have learned. Now listen carefully to the question. Number 1. What letter says B? Number 2. What letter says K? Number 3. What letter says A? Number 4. What is the first sound in ant? Number 5. What is the first sound in bag? Number 6. What is the first sound in cat? I'll go over the questions one more time. Number 1. What letter says B? Number 2. What letter says K? Number 3. What letter says A? Number 4. What is the first sound in ant? Number 5. What is the first sound in bag? Number 6. What is the first sound in cat? Send your answers as a text message indicating your name, gender, state, and subject, that is literacy, to 0703 630 3182. Have you sent in the message? Fabulous! To end this lesson, let us sing the alphabet song one more time. Ready? Okay! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? All right, children. Thank you for learning with me today. Join me for another amazing literacy lesson next week. Bye-bye.
This is an AIDS charity initiative powered by the Malala Fund.
This is for the nursery and primary school children. Hello, listeners. I am your ACE Radio School Numeracy teacher. My name is Eno Simon, but you can call me Miss E. Last week, we did our baseline assessment on addition. And guess what? I saw all your answers and you did a great job. So today, we'll be learning the meaning of addition. We'll be identifying the symbols for addition, learning and using other names for addition, and finally, we'll be adding single-digit numbers. Now, before we begin, let me find out who came with their book and pencil today.
I did.
Children at home, did you come with your book and pencil?
Yes.
Everybody came with their book and pencil today. That's awesome. Did you also come with your counters?
Yes.
All right. If you did, that's awesome. But if you didn't, quickly get your book and pencil or go to the kitchen and get a full pack of matches. If there's no full pack of matches, then you can scoop a handful of beans. Quick, quick, quick. Children at home, I'm waiting for you. Quickly. Hurry, 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 children. Go and get a pack of matches or a handful of beans. Are you back?
Yes.
All right. We are all here and we are all ready. Okay, so let's begin with this question. What is addition? Who can tell me?
I know.
All right, Kayla, what is addition?
Addition is adding one or two numbers together to get another number.
Say it again.
Addition is adding one or two numbers together to get another number.
Addition means putting two or more objects or numbers together to get a total. For example, if you have 5 oranges and I gave you 4 more oranges and asked you to add them, you will have to put all the oranges together and count them to get the total, right?
Yes.
Now let's try using our fingers. Lift up 5 fingers on one hand. And now lift up 4 fingers on the other hand. If I asked you to add them up, you will put them together and count to get the total. And that would be, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Awesome. That would be 9 fingers. If you were using your beans, when I said 5, you would have put out 5 seeds of beans. And when I said 4, you would have counted 4 more seeds of beans. When I say add them together, you put all of them together, count, and tell me the total. And I tell you that the total will still have been 9. Addition has a symbol or a sign. If you are to write the sign for addition on a paper or in the air, you will have to use a symbol or a sign for it. And the sign for addition looks like a cross. It looks like a what?
A cross.
We call that sign a plus sign. Now let me show you how it goes. Watch me. I will put my finger up and draw a straight line down. Then I will draw another line across it. Let's call that line a dash. So when I say up, you put your finger up. And when I say down, you move your finger down along a straight line. When I say dash, you draw a line across it from left to right. Are you ready?
Yes.
Now take your finger up, down, and make a dash.
Dash.
Great. So your plus sign goes up, down, and a dash. Awesome. Other words to use in place of addition are plus, sum, or add. What are the other words? Plus, sum, or add. Are you ready to do some sums?
Yes.
Are you ready to do some sums?
Yes. Miss E.
Yes, Kayla.
I have another word for plus.
Okay, what's the other word?
Total.
Total. That's great. So you can have plus, sum, add, or total. Fantastic. Are you ready to do some sums?
Yes.
Now you see how we use the other word for addition? We use the word sum. So are you ready to do some sums?
Yes.
Okay, so now we're going to add single digit numbers. If you're using matchsticks or your fingers or your bean seeds, when I call out a number, you count them out. When I call out another number, you count those out. Then put all of them together, count, and say the total. If you're using your paper and pencil, you can write them out. Counts with your fingers, use strokes or strikes on your paper, or use your mind and tell me the answer. Ready?
Yes.
Now let's try these examples. 5 plus 3 equal to, put up your finger, use your bean seed, use your strokes. 5 plus 3. What do we get?
8. Yes.
Is what?
8.
8. Alright, try the second one. 3 plus 6.
Counting out my bean seeds.
Alright, you're counting out your bean seed. Who is using their finger at home? Who is using their mind? Who is drawing out lines on the paper? So you have 9. Good job, TK. What do you have, Kayla?
9.
9, correct. Now let's try one more example. 4 plus 3. What do you have? Count your bean seed, use your strokes, use your mind.
You've got
What do you have?
7.
Did you have 7 too?
Yes.
Alright, so now we know how it works. Excellent. Do you know that when solving addition problems, the position of the numbers do not matter? They don't matter. When you're solving addition problem, whether you put one number in front of the other or turn it the other way, it doesn't matter. So let's try it out. 2 plus 3 is equal to what?
5.
5. Now, remember the numbers we use. We use 2 and 3. Now, what if I said 3 plus 2? What would be the answer?
5.
5. So whether you put 3 before 2 or 2 before 3, the answer remains 5. Let's try one more example. 4 plus 3, what do you have?
7.
7. That's fast thinking. How about this? 3 plus 4.
7.
Oh my goodness, you got the trick. So one more time. 5 plus 1.
6.
1 plus 5.
6.
You guys are adding this quickly. Children at home, are you with us? All right, let's try this one. 9 plus 1.
10.
Oh my goodness. Kayla, you seem to be a mathematician. TK, try this. 1 plus 9.
10.
10. It's the same thing. Let's take it higher. 9 plus 5.
What's a lot?
14.
14. Are you sure? Think. Children at home, is Kayla correct? 9 plus 5. Is she correct?
14.
14. All right. I think 14 is the correct answer. Now let's do 5 plus 9.
15.
Oh, I got you.
6. But
Think again. Yes.
14.
14. Correct. All right, let's try this one. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7. Put the big number 8 in your mind.
14.
14. Are you sure?
15.
15. Now let's try the other way. 7 plus 8.
15.
Good. Now you get the trick. Awesome, everyone. Now let me give you some assignments. Simple assignments, okay? Before I give you the assignment, I would like you to take your phone, go to your text message, and write your name. Tell us your gender. Tell us if you're a boy or a girl. You can use male or female. And tell us which state you're in. Alright? And then you send the answer to 070 36 30 3182. I'll take that again. 0703 63 03 182. Ready?
Yes.
Okay, don't tell anyone the answer, just type the answer. Number 1, add 5 plus 3. What's your answer? 5 plus 3. Alright, number 2, is a symbol or sign for addition like a dot, a square, or a cross? What's your answer? Is a symbol or sign for addition like a dot, a square, or a cross? The last question. If 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, what is 2 plus 6? Write your answer. Now, send your answer to 0703 63 03 182. I'll take that number again. 0703 63 03 182. Now press send. Do it now. Alright, children, today we learned the meaning of addition, we identified the symbol for addition, we used other names for addition, and we added single-digit numbers. Until next time, be good boys and girls and keep learning. Remember to bring your book and pencil and counters to the next class. Bye, children.
Bye, Missy.
Hello, everyone. This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join Ace Radio School on Wazobia, Abuja to continue learning while you're at home. This is for nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, STEM subjects. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and maths. This is an Ace charity initiative. Powered by the Malala Fund.
This is for the nursery and primary school children. Hello children, I am your Ace Radio School Science teacher. My name is Damilare Sanusi, but you can call me Mr. D. Last time, we learned about a part of the body called the mouth. We learned that it helps us do various things like chew food and pronounce words. We also learned about the eyes. We learned that it is an important part of the body that helps us see. Today we will learn about the skin. We will also learn about the ear and its functions. Before we begin, let's sing a song. You can sing after my first try. Skin in the skin. Let's talk about the skin that helps protect the body from germs and other things. Skin in the skin. Let's talk about the skin. It's beautiful, sensitive, and that is the skin. Sing with me, children. Skin in the skin. Let's talk about the skin that helps protect the body from germs and other things. Skin in the skin. Let's talk about the skin. It's beautiful, sensitive, and that is the skin. Alright, now let's talk about the skin. The human skin is the soft outer tissue that covers our body. It is the largest organ in the body. Just like our mouth and eyes, the skin has a function. For example, the skin has cells that prevent germs from entering our body. Children, did you know the skin renews itself every 28 days? This is why when we have wounds on the skin, it heals itself. Interesting. Another interesting fact about the skin is that it has two layers. The first layer is called the epidermis. Epidermis. E-P-I-D-E-R-M-I-S. Epidermis. Now I want you to look at your skin. That part of your skin that you can see is the epidermis. This is the part of the skin that covers the body. It creates the color of the skin. The second layer is called dermis. D-E-R-M-I-S. This is the part that lets hair grow on our skin. Hair that grows on our skin prevents dirt from resting on our skin. It is also the part of the body that sweat comes from. Do you know that sweat cools you down when you are hot? So the dermis helps you control your body temperature by sweating so you don't get too hot or too cold. Now I want you to do something. Use your right hand to touch the skin on your left hand. Can you feel that? That is because the skin also helps us feel. The skin lets us know if something is wrong with our bodies through reactions, allergies, and changes in our body. So next time you notice a change in your skin like a rash, tell someone next to you so it can be checked, okay? Knowing all of this, it is important you take care of your skin. How can you do that? If you can, take a bath in the morning and at night to wash off any dirt that settles on your skin. It is also important that you sleep early so your skin stays fresh and healthy. Okay, children, now we will be learning about the ear. The ear helps to carry sounds to our brain so that the brain tells us what the sound is. Those sounds can be music, the voice of a person, or sounds from a car. Children, did you know your ears never stop hearing even when you are asleep? Amazing. The ear is divided into three parts. They are the outer, middle, and inner parts of the ear. Now, children, I want you to hold your ears. Are you holding them? The part of your ear you are holding is the outer part of the ear called the pinna. It is called the pinna. P-I-N-N-A. Pinna. It helps to collect sounds and send them to our brain. Without it, we won't be able to hear the way we do. The middle part of our ear contains what is known as the eardrum. The eardrum helps to make low noises louder so that our brain can tell us what sounds we are hearing. The last part of the ear is called the inner part of the ear. It has special fluids that carry these sounds to our brain. Our brain then tells us what we hear. For example, the brain tells us if it's the sound of a person's voice we hear or the gentle hum of a fridge. Like the skin, we must also take care of our ear. You care for your ear by not inserting objects into your ear. Also, we must not expose our ears to loud sounds for a long period of time. This can make us lose our hearing. So make sure whenever you watch television or use an earphone, you turn down the volume. Today we learned about a part of our body known as the skin. We learned that it helps us feel and prevent germs from entering our body. We also learned about the ear and what it does for us. That was fantastic. But before we go, I would like to give you homework. You have to send your answers to this number 070 363 03182. 070 363 03182. Okay? So here are the questions. Question 1. What part of the body does sweat come from? What part of the body does sweat come from? A. Skin. B. Ear. C. Flesh. A. Skin. B. Ear. C. Flesh. Question 2. What is the outer part of the ear called? What is the outer part of the ear called? A. Retina. B. Pinna. C. Cornea. What is the outer part of the ear called? A. Retina. B. Pinna. C. Cornea. Question 3. Which of these is in the middle part of the ear? Which of these is in the middle part of the ear? A. Eardrum. B. Pinna. C. Cochlea. Which of these is in the middle part of the ear? A. Eardrum. B. Pinna. C. Cochlea. Remember to send your answers to this number 070 363 03182. Until I come your way next time, remember to be good boys and girls and always keep learning. Bye, children.
Hello, everyone. This is for all the children at home during this COVID-19 pandemic. Join ACE Radio School on Wazobia, Abuja to continue learning while you're at home. This is for nursery, primary, and secondary school children. We will be teaching you literacy, numeracy, STEM subjects. STEM stands for science, technology, engineering, and maths. This is an ACE charity initiative. Powered by the Malala Fund.